Hello students, I am Mrs. Padarkar and today I am going to teach you kinds of nouns. Okay, what I am going to teach you? Kinds of nouns. Now, what is a noun? Noun म्हणजे काय? Noun, here, noun is a name of a person, place, animal, thing or an idea. Okay, what is a noun? Noun म्हणजे काय? एका पर्सन व्यक्तीचं नाव, प्लेस एका ठिकाणाचं नाव, ॲनिमल एका प्राण्याचं किंवा पक्ष्याचं किंवा एखाद्या इन्सेक्टचं नाव, थिंग एखाद्या वस्तूचं नाव किंवा it can also be an idea. Okay, that means an abstract idea, something that cannot be seen but can be understood. So basically what is a noun? It is a naming word, means it is a name. Noun म्हणजे काय? It is a name given to something. Now see, in this world each and everything has a name. Okay, in this world each and everything has a name. That is why we can identify it. Otherwise there would be lot of confusion. To avoid this confusion, we have named each and every word, and that is a noun. So once again I repeat, noun is name of a person, place, animal, thing or an idea. ओके, नाव काइंड्स म्हणजे प्रकार. आता नाउन्सचे पण प्रकार आहेत. किती प्रकारचे नाउन्स आहेत ते आपण वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी. नाव काइंड्स ऑफ नाउन्स: कॉमन नाउन, प्रॉपर नाउन, ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट नाउन, कलेक्टिव्ह नाउन अँड मटेरियल नाउन. नाव द फर्स्ट टाइप इज कॉमन नाउन. नाव सी, a common noun is the common name given to persons or things of the same kind. The common noun म्हणजे it is a common name. For example, girl. Okay, any girl. Hospital, any hospital. Cow, any cow. Pencil, any pencil. So it is a common name given to that class. Okay, it is a common noun. So for example, table, it can be any table. Okay, chair, any chair. Classroom, any classroom. Pen, any pen. So these are what? All common nouns. Next, a proper noun. Now what is a proper noun? A proper noun is the special name given to persons or things. It always begins with a capital letter. Now here in the first example, when I taught you common noun, I said girl, means any girl. But now here, proper noun, when I say boy, it is any boy. Okay, it can be any boy, that is common. But when I say Mohan, I am talking particularly about Mohan. So Mohan becomes a proper noun. Boy becomes common, but Mohan becomes proper. मी मोहनच्या बद्दलच बोलतीये. Now Chennai. Okay, now see, when I say place, it can be any place. But when I say Chennai, so I am talking about Chennai only. Then rover. Okay, again rover is the name. Then Tuesday. Now when I say day, it can be any day. There are 7 days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So day becomes common noun. But when I say Tuesday, I am talking particularly about Tuesday. So Tuesday is a proper noun. Now Saturn. When I say planet, now see, Saturn belongs to the class of planets. Okay. Now when I say planet, it can be any planet. Okay, Venus, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, Earth, these are planets. So when I say planet, planet is a common noun. But when I say Saturn, Saturn is a proper noun. Okay. Now the third one is an abstract noun. Now what is an abstract noun? An abstract noun is the common name given to qualities. Okay, now see, I will tell you children, what is the meaning of abstract? Abstract means something that you cannot see or you cannot touch. Abstract म्हणजे अशी एखादी गोष्ट की त्याला आपण बघू शकत नाही, त्याला आपण टच करू शकत नाही. But you can understand the meaning. Okay, it is a name given to the quality. For example, feelings. The feelings you can. Okay, you cannot see or you cannot touch, but you can just feel. Actions, okay, or states. Now see, for example, slyness. आता slyness चा अर्थ काय? Slyness म्हणजे चतुराई. ओके, स्लायनेस म्हणजे काय? चतुराई. ती काही वस्तू नाही आहे की आपण त्याला हात लावू शकतो. ओके. नेक्स्ट, ब्युटी. ब्युटी म्हणजे सौंदर्य. इज इट अ थिंग दॅट यू कॅन टच? नो, बट यू कॅन अंडरस्टँड द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड, दॅट इज सौंदर्य. मूवमेंट. मूवमेंट म्हणजे हालचाल. ओके. मूवमेंट म्हणजे काय? हालचाल. आता मूव इज अ वर्ब, बट मूवमेंट इज बिकम्स अ नाउन. म्हणजे काय? हालचाल. So it's an action. Okay. Next, a collective noun. Collective noun is the group name given to a collection. For example, okay, it's a group. Okay. A collective noun is the group name given to a collection of persons or things. Now, team. A team of players. Now, in a team, there are many members, say 7 or 9 or 10 or 11 players. Okay. So, these 11 players, they constitute a team. Okay. So, a team is a collective noun. It's a collection, group. Okay. Or a flock of birds. Okay. Then a swarm of bees. A heap of stones. So, what is this? This is a collective noun. It's a collection. And the fifth one is a material noun. Okay. Anything which is made up of material. Now, a material noun is a name given to material things. Things that are made of different materials. For example, substances or items of food or drink. Now, see, what is a material noun? A material noun is the name given to material things, substances or items of food or drink. For example, water, it's a material. Wheat म्हणजे गहू, material. Gold, it's a metal. Silver, bronze, copper, plastic, rubber, oil, milk, ghee, these are what? Material. Because oil, milk, ghee, these are all different substances. Okay. So they are called as material nouns. I hope you all have understood this topic, kinds of nouns. So once again I'll repeat, what is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing or an idea. It is a naming word. Noun म्हणजे काय? Naming word. Now here there are 5 types of nouns: common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun, material noun. Now the first one we will see, common noun. What is a common noun? Okay, a general name, a common name given to a particular class. Okay, a common noun is the common name given to persons or things of the same kind. For example, girl, hospital, cow, pencil. Second, proper noun. Proper noun means we are talking particularly about that person or thing. Is the special name given to persons or things. It always begins with a capital letter. Mohan, M, capital letter. Chennai, C, capital letter. Rover, R, capital letter. Tuesday, T, capital letter. Saturn, S, capital letter. Third one, an abstract noun is the common name given to qualities, feelings, actions or states. Okay. So, abstract means what? Something that you cannot touch, you cannot feel, you cannot see, but you can understand the meaning. Slyness, beauty, movement. Then fifth, a collective noun. It is a collection, group. Okay, is the group name given to a collection of persons or things. Team, flock, swarm, heap. Next, a material noun is the name given to material things, substances or items of food or drink. For example, water, wheat, gold, milk, okay, sugar. These are what? Substances. I hope you all have understood. Now, here's an exercise. Okay, here's an exercise. I hope you all can see. What is the question? Pick out the nouns from these sentences and write them in the proper boxes. Now see the first sentence. Lolo the tortoise moved slowly. Okay. Now see, in this sentence you have to find out, pick out, means find out the nouns. Okay. And write them in proper boxes. Now here they have given the boxes. Common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun. Okay. Now see, Lolo the tortoise moved slowly. Now we are talking, when I say tortoise, tortoise becomes a common noun. It can be any tortoise that I have written here. But when I say Lolo, I am talking about that particular tortoise. So Lolo comes here in the proper noun column. Okay. Now see the second example. Gandhiji always spoke the truth. Now in this sentence, Gandhiji is the name of a person. Now when I say Gandhiji, I am talking about Gandhiji only, particular person. So Gandhiji becomes the proper noun. But when I say truth, truth is also a noun. It is a name given to something. Okay. Now truth is not a thing that you can touch. ती काही वस्तू नाही की तुम्ही त्याला हात लावाल. Or you cannot see that. But you can understand the meaning. Okay. So that truth is the abstract noun जे आपल्याला दिसत नाही. So that comes in the abstract noun column. Okay. Now Udaipur has many beautiful palaces. Here in this Udaipur, you know, it's a pink city. Okay, Jaipur, Udaipur. These are all cities in Rajasthan. So Udaipur, I am talking about particular city Udaipur. So it is proper. It will come in the proper noun column. But when I say palaces, palace manje mahal. Okay. So when I say palace, it can be any palace. So that is a common noun. Next, a bunch of arrows came sailing by. Now, arrows here. Arrows म्हणजे बाण. It can be any arrow. बाण म्हणजे कितीतरी arrows आहेत. I am not talking about any particular arrow. So that becomes common. But when I say bunch, okay, bunch म्हणजे काय? Many arrows put together. This becomes a collective noun, a collection, group. So that I am writing here in the collective noun column. Eat that mango quickly. Now in this sentence, the naming word is mango. It is a noun, name of a thing. But there are so many mangoes around. I am not talking any particular mango. Okay, so many mangoes. So mango becomes a common noun. Okay, and last, Birbal was known for his wisdom. Now, first, Birbal is the name of a person. Yes, it is a noun. It is a proper noun because when I say Birbal, I am talking about Birbal only. Birbal is a proper noun. Birbal was known for his wisdom. आता wisdom म्हणजे काय? शहाणपण. Wisdom म्हणजे काय? शहाणपण. Wisdom is the name given to an abstract or an idea. Okay? You can understand the meaning of this word wisdom. Wisdom म्हणजे काय? शहाणपण. पण ते काही वस्तू आहे का की ज्याला आपण बघू शकतो, हात लावू शकतो? नाही. So, wisdom is an abstract noun. I hope you all have understood this topic, children. I will send you the notes. Please copy down the notes and I shall also send you an exercise. You have to complete that exercise on your own. Thank you.